Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this short video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Phantom Wallet to pump.fun. So first of all, let's open the Phantom Wallet. Then we need to click the bottom right button, guys, in the bottom menu. And right here, you will see a lot of websites. You need to scroll down until you will see pump.fun, which is right here. You need to click on it. And here is the instruction how it works. So we need to click I'm ready to pump in the bottom. Then you need to click this green accept button right here. Then in the top, guys, you need to find this button which is called connect wallet. You need to click on it. And from the list, you need to click Phantom. Then you need to click connect and you need to confirm it. So you can edit your profile. So let's close this. So as you can see, guys, we successfully connected to pump.fun, and that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.